All right, what is going on, everyone? I have not made a video in probably like a week and a half. Been busy with work, but I wanted to do a quick video tonight just to say what's up. I didn't forget about you guys. Thank you guys to the new subscribers out there. I've jumped up 3 subscribers this past week. Very excited about that. I have a new phone. This is the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'll be doing an unboxing video later on. I'll be editing for you. Until then, just wanted to reach out. Hope everyone is doing well with their goals. I hope you guys are safe out there, especially with COVID. Wear your mask, and just praying for you guys, praying for your loved ones. I hope that things get better for us, things change, that you guys are all safe during the holiday season. And let's finish off this year with a bang. Anything you need to get done, get it done. And let's start next year fresh. Throw out anything you don't need. Get rid of negative thoughts, negative people in your life, and get ready to build a better life, better you every single day. Let's get it.